Want your product to grow faster? Obsess over one thing. Ignore the rest. In product management, the biggest trap is too many priorities. But priority means first. There can only be one. If you cannot decide the one thing, the market will decide for you. So here is how. Take your backlog, your roadmap, your wish list, cross out everything except that one initiative that, if successful, makes the rest irrelevant. Yes, it hurts. That's how you know it's real prioritization. Ask if this one feature 3x adoption, would we ever care about the rest? Great products aren't built by chasing everything. They are built by choosing one thing, going all in, and relaying the team around it. Forget the noise, pick the priority, ship it, grow. If you need help, check the link in my bio.